All right, hello, here's another unboxing video. I realized that I don't have a whole lot of Ken shoes. Got a lot of Ken clothes from the 80s, but I lost a lot of his shoes, I guess. So I went to eBay, and I will put the seller's name down in the comments. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say that on YouTube, because I'm new to it, but I bought a couple lots of Ken shoes. I think they're real Mattel too, maybe not. And a couple other accessory packs from the same buyer. So here we go. I haven't opened it yet. I just cut open the top. So we got our first pack here, lot 3A. I paid $2.99 for this. And it looks like I got some boots. I got a pair of white sneaks. And I have some black little loafers, some slides, and I have some lighter blue sneakers. So let's see. So not bad for $2.99. I don't think they are real Mattel shoes after all. In the picture they look pretty. This looks pretty thin, unless I'm just used to the old school 80s Ken shoes that were pretty thick. So all right, here's another lot. 2A, it says $2.99 for this lot. And I got another pair of boots here. Looks like some sandals, some royal blue sneakers, some white sneaks with 2 stripes on them. Then I got some black dress shoes. And they have little cuts in the back. So yeah, there's my second lot of Ken shoes. Not bad. Let's see. Here's another pack. Lot 1A, $2.99. Alright. And we got some brown cowboy boots. Some royal blue. Kind of like a sneaker, but more like a moccasin. It looks like it has some stitching. Like a moccasin, more like a sneaker. We got some black and white low top boots, it looks like. And we have some, these might be real Ken shoes, because these feel like the heavy plastic, the hard plastic from the 80s, in white with a buckle, classic Ken shoe. And these might be real Ken shoes. I have a pair of these from the 80s, that 2 stripes, light blue, lace detail molded in. So yeah, that's the next lot I have. Let's see, what else do I have in here? And lot 4A, $2.99 again from eBay. I got some tan. Now these, I don't know if there's something on them or if it's in the plastic, but there's some discoloration there. I'll see if maybe some nail polish remover. Ooh, got some silver sneakers. Some red low tops. I got some white low tops. And these are hard, like the 80s Ken doll shoes. So they might be real Ken doll, I'm not sure. But there's my next lot of shoes, not bad. What else do I got in here? Ooh, I ordered these rollerblades for $2.99 because I have roller skates that came with a surf shop, but they weren't rollerblades. They were just old school 4 wheels, side by side. Now these are supposed to be sparks or something. I don't know how to work these, but anyways, whether they spark or whatever, they look pretty cool. I don't have any inline skates for my Barbie, just old school, but those are pretty cool. And I ordered sunglasses, Barbie and Friends sunglasses for $2.99. I don't know why, but I like sunglasses. I only had a couple pair left from my 80s collection. So I got some silver little cat eyes. I got some clear purple. I have some big black oversized sunglasses. Some red clear sunglasses. Some pink wraparounds. Peach clear. Yellow little hearts. Got some purple and black cat eyes. Some solid yellow. And then these are kind of big. I don't know if they're going to stay on my Ken dolls, but kind of ski goggles maybe. But not bad for $2.99. I also got this pack. Barbie and Friends sunglasses for $2.99. A different lot. And I got some silver, look like Ray-Ban type. Some wraparound, could be safety glasses or ski glasses. Looks like some 80s. Some clear purple, looks like Daisy, little sunglasses there. Wraparound pink. Gray. They say Ken on the side, so these might be some real Barbie Mattel glasses. Kind of a coral see-through, a red see-through, a pinkish kind of cat eye, some black Terminator glasses, as I call them. So, yeah, I think that's pretty good for $2.99 from eBay. And I think this may be my last bag. Sunglasses, $2.99. Okay, we got some solid yellow cat eye glasses. Look like workers' construction safety glasses there in pink and black. We got a little tiny pair of pink glasses there. And we have my dog Bark in the background. Some cat eye glasses, clear see-through. Some big Elton John-esque. These are interesting because they're like minion goggles. I don't know if they wrap around the head, but they're cute. Some clear yellow star glasses. These are kind of big, but they're like embellished cat eye glasses. Some really tiny neon pink star glasses. And some neon green cat eye glasses. So there's my haul from eBay. Not sure if I can share the seller's name, but I'd like to give them a shout out if I can. I have to look into that more. So please comment, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more unboxing of little accessories that I ordered for my Barbie collection. All right, guys, bye.